Hey man, the Cadillac daddies on the back of the back. Come on. Yes, sir. I know you doubted me, man, but we back and we better. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we had to take our CVO back apart. Not only did we do that, we also got the legs on our 2020 Road Glide, the built one that is, sent that thing off on the transporter. That thing is headed out west, and we might have to head out there later on in the week to see what exactly we're going to do with it. We had to take our bars off yesterday because we had pinched the wire when we was installing them. So we did something a little different this time. We had drilled the center out so it'll be like how it's supposed to instead of on the bottom of the forks, because that's not going to be right. So now that we got the wires coming out of here, we should be more than good now, and we can put these bars on here and hopefully we get the power we need, man. So only a few more things to go. We just got to get these bars back installed and make sure they work before we tidy everything up. And I got a freaking flat tire on this freaking front wheel. That's the only thing about these carbon fiber wheels, man. These things stay flat. I can't lie to you, they really stay flat. So we'll have to see what we're gonna do with that, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in, man. We're gonna try to see what we can do with this 2022 CVO today. Maybe try to get it fired up, get this tune right, and if we get this tune right, man, we'll get a first ride with you guys here. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get this thing put up on the jack and get these bars installed and see if we get some power. Before we really tighten down, we can get a little bit more tight. Before we even tighten these things all the way down. Alrighty guys, so I got the bars back on there. However, we're not getting no power at all. And I just happen to check the fuse. This is the battery fuse, and it looks like the fuse is definitely blown. There's no metal connecting in the inside. So gotta go get a box of fuses and maybe this will work. So we gotta go grab some fuses real quick and we'll be right back. Alrighty, we got a new maxi fuse just in case, and then we got a bunch of like mini fuses because our number 5 is blown, and we might have a couple more blown, so we just want to be prepared. So let's see if this will fire up the bike or at least get some power to it, man. Let's hope for the best. Alright, we got the fuses. Let's see if this will do it for us. Alright guys, so we actually have a tester here. We actually have a tester here now. This is our old fuse. We'll put that back in and see. Let's see. So if I touch on this one here, let me see. If I touch on this one here with the 2, it should be green. So if I touch on here, it should be green as well. You guys see, we get no power there, and that is our fuse for the battery, but we can get power here. So with that being said, let's snatch this sucker out. Snatch that sucker out, toss him. We don't need that anymore. Let's grab a 5 out this bad boy and see what we could do. Okay, let's test him out. We should have power. We got power now on the battery. Because if you look right here, it says battery 5A. I'm confident. Let's see. Hey man, you see the Cadillac daddies on the back of the back? Come on. Yes, sir. I know you doubted me, man, but we back and we better. I know you doubted me, but we back and we better, man. We can finally get this thing fired up, get the tune on this thing, and get a first ride. I cannot wait, man. I am excited. So now that we know our bars and stuff is working, we got our turn signals and everything going. Everything worked. So now we can tighten up our bars and button up this dash and get to the next step. And I can't wait. Let's get it. And now that we got that in there, man, we can tighten up our bars. As soon as I find a little bit of good old oil can fix. And now that we pretty much got the bars and everything accurate, I tried to load my tune, but it's still not loading. So I had to send my ECM out, or ECU rather. So we took that out the center. Now I'm gonna just pretty much just put this thing back together. Cause if I keep it apart, I'm gonna keep thinking I got stuff to do. So we really don't have to do nothing else in the back of the bike. So I'm gonna put the bags on and get this thing situated. Like I said, we don't have nothing else to do in the back. So. I think it's pretty much together, looking good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I know once we get our ECU back, that thing will be ready to ride and ready to glide, man. So I'm gonna probably actually snatch off this gas tank, get a new O-ring in there. Then again, I might be able to do it like this. Then again, I don't know, man. We'll see what we can do. I know my buddy will be able to get it for me nice, quick, and easy. Yes, we do have power, guys. We got power and music.
Can't talk, you lost, I see what's wrong. She telling me that she ain't really feeling me. If she see me real life, see my energy. Come on here for what? She don't make that loose and around. You can stay with me, you let me find this right. Explain that it ain't time.
All right, guys, and now that we know we got power, man, I'm excited again. I'm gonna put that thing on a charge because once we get our ECU back, man, all we have to do is fire that thing up, load the tune, and get on our ride. By the time our ECU gets back, we should have our turn signal mounts as well as the O-ring in the gas tank so it doesn't leak when we hook our fuel up, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I know today wasn't the greatest of videos, but furthermore, man, we keeping this show on the road, man, each and every day, man. I can't wait. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.